DALLE 2 Top 10 Features. DALL-E is a new AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. It was introduced by OpenAI in July 2022 as an extension of DALL-E, which was launched in January 2021. DALL-E has several features that make it more powerful and versatile than its predecessor. Here are the top 10 features of DALL-E that you should know. 1. Higher resolution. DALL-E can generate images with 4x greater resolution than DALL-E 1, up to 1024 by 1024 pixels. This allows for more details and realism in the generated images. 2. Outpainting. DALL-E can expand images beyond what's in the original canvas, creating expansive new compositions. For example, it can extend a landscape or a cityscape by adding more elements and scenery. 3. In painting. DALL-E can make realistic edits to existing images from a natural language caption. It can add and remove elements while taking shadows, reflections, and textures into account. For example, it can add a flamingo to a beach or remove a person from a photo. 4. Variations. DALL-E can take an image and create different variations of it inspired by the original. For example, it can change the style, color, mood, or perspective of an image. 5. Diffusion. DALL-E uses a process called diffusion, which starts with a pattern of random dots and gradually alters that pattern towards an image when it recognizes specific aspects of that image. This process mimics how humans perceive and create images from imagination. 6. Caption matching. DALL-E is better at matching the text description to the generated image than DALL-E 1. In a human evaluation, 71.7% of the evaluators preferred DALL-E over DALL-E 1 for caption matching. 7. Photorealism. DALL-E is also better at generating photorealistic images than DALL-E 1. In a human evaluation, 88.8% of the evaluators preferred DALL-E over DALL-E 1 for photorealism. 8. Safety mitigations. DALL-E has several safety measures to prevent harmful generations and misuse. It has filters to block violent, hate, or adult images, as well as photorealistic generations of real individuals' faces. It also has a content policy and monitoring systems to guard against misuse. 9. Phased deployment. DALL-E was deployed in a phased manner based on learning from real-world use. It started with a limited number of trusted users and gradually expanded to more users as the technology's capabilities and limitations were understood and the safety systems were improved. 10. Creativity. DALL-E can create original, novel, and diverse images and art from a text description. It can combine concepts, attributes, and styles that may not exist in reality or may not have been seen before. DALL-E is an amazing AI system that can unleash your creativity and help you express yourself visually. You can try it out yourself by signing up for the beta version at OpenAI's website. Thanks for watching.